Okay, what's the problem, Linda?
Nothing's wrong, no. It's just I'm bored and there's anything to do here.
Oh, you're bored, I get it. So, what do you want to do?
I don't know. Whatever you think of. I just don't really care at at all, bro. There's absolutely nothing to do.
Okay, I guess. Well, I do have something in my mind.
Okay, and what's in your mind?
Kissing.
Um, uh, kissing? Are you sure about that, dude? Don't you remember about last time? Oh crap! What the hell? No! Get off of me before I... what the actual...